Comparative Adjectives, brought to you by ESL for You. Voiceover recorded by Teacher Fabi. Learning comparative adjectives has never been easier. Let's practice your pronunciation. Here we go. Please repeat slowly after me. Tall and short. The giraffe is tall. The dog is short. The giraffe is taller than the dog. The dog is shorter than the giraffe. Taller than. Shorter than. Big and small. The tree is big. The ant is small. The tree is bigger than the ant. The ant is smaller than the tree. Bigger than. Smaller than. Fast and slow. The cheetah is fast. The turtles are slow. The cheetah is faster than the turtles. The turtles are slower than the cheetah. Faster than. Slower than. Big and small. The dolphin is big. The fish is small. The dolphin is bigger than the fish. The fish is smaller than the dolphin. Bigger than. Smaller than. Heavy and light. The elephant is heavy. The feather is light. The elephant is heavier than the feather. The feather is lighter than the elephant. Heavier than. Lighter than. Old and young. Grandma is old. The baby is young. Grandma is older than the baby. The baby is younger than grandma. Older than. Younger than. Strong and weak. The man is strong. The boy is weak. The man is stronger than the boy. The boy is weaker than the man. Stronger than. Weaker than. Happy and sad. The man is happy. The woman is sad. The man is happier than the woman. The woman is sadder than the man. Happier than. Sadder than. Loud and soft. The trumpet is loud. The guitar is soft. The trumpet is louder than the guitar. The guitar is softer than the trumpet. Louder than. Softer than. Bright and dark. The day is bright. The night is dark. The day is brighter than the night. The night is darker than the day. Brighter than. Darker than. Cold and hot. The sun is hot. Ice is cold. The sun is hotter than ice. Ice is colder than the sun. Hotter than. Colder than. Deep and shallow. The ocean is deep. The puddle is shallow. The ocean is deeper than the puddle. The puddle is more shallow than the ocean. Deeper than. More shallow than. Beautiful and ugly. The countryside is beautiful. The city is ugly. The countryside is more beautiful than the city. The city is uglier than the countryside. More beautiful than. Uglier than. Good and bad. The Wi-Fi is good. The Wi-Fi is bad. This Wi-Fi is better than the other Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi is worse than this one. Bad, worse. Good, better. Remember, Short adjectives, one syllable, add er. Tall, taller, fast, faster, small, smaller. A car is faster than a bike. Also remember, adjectives ending in y change y to I plus er. For example, happy, happier, easy, easier. For example, this test is easier than the last one. Long adjectives, two syllables or more, use more plus the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, expensive, more expensive. For example, this house is more expensive than that one. We also have irregular comparatives. This is important. Good, better. Bad, worse. Far, farther, or further. For example, today is better than yesterday. Also, we have to double the final consonant and add er when the adjective has one syllable and it ends in consonant, vowel, consonant. For example, big, bigger, double G, hot, hotter, double T, thin, thinner, double N. For example, this box is bigger than that one. For negative comparisons, use not as. Example, this movie is not as interesting as that one. This video is not as short as my previous one. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember that you can start learning today at American ESL for You. And also some quick tips would be to always use than after a comparative and use comparatives for two things only. For three or more, use superlatives. For example, the biggest. Yeah, but we will see that in another video. Again, thank you for watching. This was American ESL for You, brought to you by Teacher Fabi. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, like, and comment for more content, and also visit my page on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.